Hi, lovely people. How are you? I am doing great. This is like the third video I recorded, so I am done for today. But I have a lot of things that came in and I'm a little behind, so I wanted to do as many as I can so I can show you what I got. So anyway, I figured I'm going to do two. These are smaller subscriptions, so I'm just going to make like a two-in-one. So this is my lip service. If you don't know what this is like a lip balm service. And I really do like lip balms. Now, I just happened to look on their site and it does say it was like $5.95 and then it was $2 shipping. But now it says it's $7.95 and it's free shipping. So I know a lot of people were complaining about shipping. So now they were kind of slick and added in on the price. But I did cancel this subscription because I have so many and I thought I do love lip balms. Like I have them in almost every room of the house. I live in New Jersey and now that it's wintertime, it gets cold and I am also diabetic. So my skin's always dry and I drink a lot of water, but I don't know. It's like my lips, my hands, my skin always are dry, especially in the wintertime. So I thought, well, this would be so nice. It's under $10. You get a lip balm. And also what they do is it's not like every month they choose a different ESTY owner and then they put this in here and then you get a couple other things. But the first time that I got it, it was amazing. It was a lip balm and then it came with like a little keychain where you held your like little lip balm. It was like a holder. I thought it was great and it came with I think a sheet mask or eye mask. I was like, it's great. And then last month, which I will leave that down below if you want to check it out. Came with one of them like dead fish things that you would like place it on your hand and if it turns over, I don't know. And I did look inside of here. I didn't take anything out. So I'm not too impressed really anymore. I could just go to the store and get them. But if you do like it, if you like the idea that everything is homemade, hand poured, and that they do choose different ESTY owners, so you are helping support that, then I would definitely subscribe. I think $7.95 isn't bad because you get a few extra things. If I didn't get so many subscriptions, I would keep this up. But I did try it for 3 months. And anyway, let me stop talking and tell you what is in here. Well, show you, not tell you. All right, so is that everything? All right, so we have a little card here. It says time to celebrate. And it says, we are thankful. This month, lip service is thankful to have reached some big milestones. We are celebrating with a red velvet cake lippy, by Crucial Cosmetic Organic Makeup and Skin from Oakland, Maine. So they're from Oakland, Maine, but that was a lot to say. Check them out on ESTY. If you have lip service 2.0, you can also get a peppermint lippy. Oh, okay. So they also started this new thing where you can get the 2.0 and you get 2 lip balms. All right, so that's good. And then this is the brand here that the chapstick or lip balm is. If you want to check it out, here is the back. Okay. And then we got a little piece of candy. God, I remember when I was little. I love these. These are the fruit chews. This is in lemon. I don't like lemon though. So who doesn't like candy? And then we got the cocoa butter coconut oil flavoring. I thought it said the red velvet with a red velvet cake lippy. No, this isn't red velvet. Oh yeah, it is red velvet lip balm. I'm mistaken. Right there. I was looking at cocoa butter coconut oil flavoring. Okay. Right there. So let me open this up and smell. Oh God, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. So that's what it looks like right there. So I am definitely excited to put this on my lips tonight. So we have that. All right, the second subscription is this Hello, Here I Am. This is a My Paper box subscription. Now, earlier in the month, I did a bigger one. It comes with 2 subscriptions. The bigger one, I think the grand one, is $28, and then they have a $10 one. And I know a lot of you guys have said in the comments that you like to see both. So when I emailed her and asked her if she can send me this one as well, I did get this free for review as well as the other one, so that you guys can see what the $10 one is. Every month it comes themed, so that's great. And in the $10 month, I'll also leave the $28 one down below if you want to see that video to check it out. With the $10 one, you get 3 stationery books, and everything comes personalized. It has a theme every month, and it also comes custom with your name. Okay, so let's just open this up. That's everything out. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. See, it has my name. And if you're wondering what is on my face, at the end of this right here unboxing, I'll show you guys what I have on my face. I don't know if I told you that already. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, so we got my family always celebrates Thanksgiving with a fast. The faster we eat, the more food we get. Oh God, that's funny. Okay, all right. That is too funny. Let me read that again. My family always celebrates Thanksgiving with a fast. The faster we eat, the more food we get. All right, Ann. All right, Ann, come on. All right, so we get the 3 stationery. So this one here says, be thankful, and it says Just Ann right here. You get quite a few sheets here, so that's good. Then this one is like a little, what do you call this? Planner, I guess. So it has Monday through Friday. And like, you know, you do get a few of them. And it has Just Ann there. So I think I'm going to use this for my YouTube, and I could put like what videos I'm going to put down. And then this one, this is nice. We have a bigger one. It says Just Ann. And then right here it says, be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. That is so true. If you concentrate on what you don't have, you will never ever have enough, by Oprah Winfrey. So yeah, so that is good right there. And again, you get quite a few pages. So that's everything you get in the $10 box. I love the fact that it is themed every month and it's always custom. So I like that. Let me know what you think of both of these subscriptions. Do you know when I'm just looking at something that I didn't see? So for the lit service, we got the candy and we got this, and I didn't notice. We also got the necklace. How did I not notice that? It's a little heart necklace right there. I'll probably give this to my little niece right there. So that's nice. So like I said, this is what we got right here. I can't believe I didn't show you guys that. Anyway, I hope you guys watched the end so that you guys seen that I threw that necklace up. All right, so let me tell you what I'm wearing on my face. I mean, I need to clean this table. It is ridiculous. All right, what am I wearing? Okay, so eyeshadow, like I said in the last few videos, I have the Makeup Geek. There are 7 of these. The owner designed this for depending on what you wear. So this is like the green one. It comes with a mirror. I really like it. It's more my first impressions because I just wore this for the first time and I really like them. And it's only $35. You can't beat that. I'll go very fast just in case you did watch my other videos. You already know what's on my face, but I have the Stick Foundation in Wonder Beauty. I do like them. I got the Burt's Bees blush in Bare Peach. I do love these blushes. They're a little powdery, but I do like them. In my waterline, I have this Too Faced 24-hour shadow liner in Get Lucky. I do not care for these. These do not have lasting power at all. I'll get it together. For mascara, I have the Milk Kush mascara, and then on top of that is the It Cosmetics Superhero. Am I forgetting everything? I don't know if I told you what's on my lips, so I'll just tell you again. If I did already, I have the Morphe liquid lipstick in Jealousy with the Fenty lip gloss balm on top. So yeah, that's everything that I'm wearing. Let me know what you think of these subscriptions. Let me know if you ever tried Makeup Geek. I really like their eyeshadows. I will definitely have to get more now that they lowered their price to $35. And that's it. I always leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.